Hello Gineers! Welcome to the Ginee channel. For this video, we will guide you on how to integrate your Shopee store into the Ginee dashboard. After logging in, hover over the Ginee dashboard and then click your Ginee email address found at the top right corner, then select Integrations. Once the integration page opens, click Add Store and then select Shopee. After selecting Shopee, a pop-up will appear and then click Start Sync. You will then be directed to Shopee's page where you have to input your Shopee login information. To authorize your Shopee store, select which country you are from. After you have selected your country, input your account username and password, then click Login. Shopee will ask you to authorize Ginee. After confirming the authorization, Ginee will start synchronizing your Shopee products and orders to the Ginee dashboard. Note that Ginee is working with Shopee to ensure the security of your account. Once the store authorization is successful, you can now see your store together with the other integrated stores in the integration list. Very easy, right, Gineers? Good luck!